Hello, welcome to my channel. On this channel we talk about hair growth tips using natural herbs to grow our hair long and shiny and healthier without using chemicals. If this interests you, do well to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 4 amazing herbs that help grow my hair long: guava leaves, pawpaw leaves, moringa leaf, and aloe vera leaves. Aloe vera is famous for its soothing and hydrating properties, which make it a great choice for scalp health and hair. Check the description to see how I use aloe vera in various ways in my hair care routine. My next ingredient is moringa leaves. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse that's fantastic for hair growth. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein essential for strong and healthy hair. I'll be sharing how I use moringa in my hair care routine in my subsequent videos. Our next herb is guava leaves. Guava leaves are rich in antioxidants and B vitamins, which are essential for hair growth. Guava leaf can help strengthen hair follicles and reducing hair fall. You can make guava leaf hair rinse by boiling the leaves in water for about 20 minutes, letting it cool, and then apply it to your scalp after shampooing. Next, we have pawpaw or papaya leaves. These leaves contain enzymes like papain, which helps cleanse the scalp and remove buildup, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Again, I'll be sharing how I make papaya leaf hair masks for my hair. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and family. And don't forget to share how you use these herbs in your hair in the description box below. Bye.